Shoot me an email. Yeah. Shoot me an email with whatever information you can email me on the vehicle, and then maybe tell me how you found it, how you got it.
Right.
And then I'll email you the text so you can kind of fill out whatever, and then that way I can write the story. I might call you yesterday, but I'll write the story too.
That's right.
Yeah, so that way I get it straight from the husband.
Okay, so I'll get as much information as
Yeah,
you want.
Oh, yeah.
That's perfect.
And then when I get home in LA, I'll go ahead and it'll be fun. No, I appreciate it. You know, to me, it's like the fun part is you guys get to see pictures.
Right.
And you have a copy.
Right.
You know, that way you can see show the grandkids.
What's the time frame on that?
You know what? I don't know. I would have to ask the editors. Once I find out, I can shoot you an email.
I mean, it's usually months
I have
away.
to kind of, yeah, it's usually months. But they're already working probably on, we're in May, oh, like June, July at least.
Yeah.
No, maybe even August, who knows?
They're working on June, so I come in.
They're ahead of schedule because they have to, basically have to go by the printer schedule.
Right.
And they're like in Effingham, Illinois.
Right.
All the big boys print out there, so.
Okay.
But I'll let you know.
Sounds good.
Your letter.
You guys found it. Oh, yeah, I'll take care of that. Yeah, I'll walk down and get it. Do you know, let me get you out of here. Are you going down to Aaron right now?
Yeah, and shop.
Okay, so the easiest way to Aaron shop,
Go back down to,
528.
yeah, 528.
Just go right here to the stop sign. Okay. And just right there, take it right there, with Ivory, and stay on it. It'll go right around to Lisbon. When it hits Lisbon, just stay on Ivory. It'll loop around past the little school like
Yeah.
come out on Lisbon, turn right on Lisbon to the light, and that's Southern, turn left all the way down to 528. Then make a right. And there it is,
We'll find a shop.
it's over the butter, you know,
They're nice.
in fact, this is
It really is.
yeah, that's the same thing. Turn right at stop sign. Take it over to Lisbon. Turn right on Lisbon. Take it to Southern, turn left. Now, you're gonna get, before you get to 528,
Yeah.
about a half mile before, before the post office.
Yeah.
There's the Bank of America on the left.